C major pentascales. First, start on a flat, solid tabletop. The right hand plays 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Note that only one finger at a time touches the tabletop. I play with 1. When 2 goes down, I lift the 1. So we don't want any of this. One finger at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And likewise the left hand. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait until that becomes comfortable on a tabletop and then transfer it to the keyboard. You will be starting on C. The right hand goes like this. And the left hand. Sometimes we struggle with fingers 4 and 5 because finger 4 doesn't like to move by himself. So you can do little exercises where you just bounce back and forth between 4 and 5, either hand, getting used to each finger playing independently. You can even do that with 2 hands at the same time. And you can transfer that to the keyboard on any 2 white notes. Doesn't matter what notes. If you want to have fun, play it on the black keys. When you get more comfortable with that, then we're going to do the pentascale hands together, first on a tabletop. And when that feels comfortable, then on the piano. And that is the C major pentascale.